Hi, it's Nick at Jordanbikes, V for Victory. Check out this highball, 1731cc. Absolutely stonking engine on these. They've outdone the Harleys who do the 1690 engine. They've made it 1731. This is a one owner bike. It was new on the 21st of February 2017. It's a 66 plate, but almost a 17 plate. It's only done 1,465 miles from new. They look fantastic with these white wall tyres on, they really do. Before he's traded it in today, he spent a fortune on it, as you do. He's fitted these Bassani Pro Street exhausts, a high flow air intake and a Lloydz VFC3 fuel controller, just to make sure it all runs nice. Also, check out these indicators, these are fantastic. Totally flush mount. Have a look at the front ones as well. Look at that wrapped around the front fork. Really cool looking. I'll just start it up for you so you can have a quick listen. It's also covered by Victory's 5-year warranty, so they must be confident in their products if they're going to cover them for 5 years. Also, one more thing, just check out these billet levers. They're a bit of a work of art, they're lovely, are those. There you go. So if you've got tattoos and you want a fantastic bike, this is the one. Give us a call. Could be yours. Cheers. Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. And once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.